Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Just Code It with Sarthak. Today I am back with another amazing video for you guys who are looking for your careers, job options and internships, and we will be discussing a lot about what are the different portals where you can go and look for jobs, what is that exact process, how to apply for these jobs, and we will be discussing about where are the best places where you can find the right set of jobs for your profile, right? So before we want to deep dive with all these portals and the platforms available for you guys, let's thank the supporter of this channel, Newton School. So guys, what is Newton School? Newton School एक edtech startup है जहाँ पे you can learn more about different technologies out there. They will help you get job offer from these top tech companies and उनका एक बहुत ही अच्छा प्रोग्राम है जहाँ पे आपको ₹1 भी पे नहीं करना है जब तक आपके इन कंपनीज में जॉब नहीं लग जाता. They have very good offerings with this course, live classes, industrial projects, mock interviews and personal mentoring. I will put the link in the description and I suggest you all to check this out and explore their courses. We want to discuss about different job portals, different platforms where you can find the job listings available and where you can get the right set of jobs. Yes, so आप यहाँ पे सही आए, यहाँ पे आपको पता चलेगा कौन कौन से वो डिफरेंट पोर्टल्स हैं. यहाँ पे हम डिस्कस करेंगे कैसे उन पोर्टल्स को एक्सेस करना है इन द राइट परफेक्ट वे सो दैट यू गेट द ऑप्टिमम रिजल्ट. You can take this video with a pinch of salt because this is based on my experiences with the experience of my friends, and it can apply very beautifully for you as well. So starting with the biggest and the foremost and the most famous platform for jobs is LinkedIn. I know you are on LinkedIn, you have been seeing me there and you have seen a lot of other people, you might have been there for a couple of years, but a lot of people not know how to exactly use the LinkedIn the right way, right? तो हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि LinkedIn को कैसे perfectly use करना है. LinkedIn बहुत सारे benefits देता है and for recruiters it provides a platform to list their jobs जहाँ पे you as an aspirer or as an person who is looking for jobs and internships, you can go on these pages and look for the particular profiles. So क्या होता है अगर आप कोई प्रोफाइल सर्च करें फॉर एग्जांपल एसडी पोजीशन के लिए, you can do is you can go directly to the exact company where you want and see their openings listed in their company page. So for example, let's take example of Facebook. आप Facebook में काम करना चाहते हैं, आप Facebook पेज जाएंगे, you can get a list of all the openings available at Facebook listed on LinkedIn. At least you can get the list of these openings. Otherwise what happens, what you can do is you can directly search SD as jobs and you can find a list of all the job positions available, let's say for SD level roles at different companies. You can get a lot of filters out there, so you can apply filter, let's say region wise India or international. You can apply filter wise experience, the job location, it could be Pune, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Delhi or Chennai or so and so forth. You can even filter out for these different scenarios. So basically if it is a part-time job or a full-time job or it is an internship listing, what kind of listing it is, and the best part is generally the listings that are available on LinkedIn have two steps. So either they are just job listing where you have to click on it and it will land you to the career page where the actual job is and you can apply via that, or it gives them that option as easy apply जहाँ पे आपको एक simple 1 click or 2 clicks में you can easily apply to that job just by uploading your resume, and it will fetch all the other details from your LinkedIn profile automatically and you just get applies to the job. So easy apply is a very good thing, but for the next part, like for the links where it lands you to the career pages, I have a very good information for you guys. I hope it helps. So basically होता क्या, for most companies there is a referral policy attached with it. So whenever you are working at a company, you get a chance to refer people outside the organization to bring them to your organization for the relevant listing. For example, मेरा कोई friend है, मेरे known में कोई person है जो बहुत अच्छा coding करता है, I can refer him or her to a software opening position, and what it does is it increases the odds of it. It does not guarantee even an interview or any discussion, but it does guarantee that HR will get a look at your resume. So होता क्या, whenever you refer some person, so it goes a different stack in terms of HR profiles. जो HR के पास resume आ रहे from the career pages and from other platform, referral gets I would say a slight advantage, and the HR, the recruitment team and the concerned people will give at least one look. They might reject you then and there itself, or it can go along the process. there are different benefits attached with it. So कंपनी को क्या होता है, कंपनी को पता चलता है कि since मैंने रेफर किया है, I know what about the company culture, I know that person for a fact that company assumes. So what happens, I can refer that person for the sake of the company, for the good of the company, and company gets a good candidate right away, and it does not have to post it all on all the available job boards and other pages. It does not have to run ads in that case. Your employee is working as an advertisement for that job profile, right? So इसलिए referral policy exist करती है. So coming back to the point, wherever there is a listing on LinkedIn which redirects you to career page, what you can do is you can find out all the person from that company and directly reach them out for the referral. You can just provide the correct career page link that this is the job opening I am looking for, I am interested in, these are my skill sets, and I have a separate video on what is the perfect template or what is the perfect way to get the referral. I will put that in here or here somewhere in the card, and you can check that out. So what happens is when you push that message and you get the referral, you can actively get that referral for that position, and this is the where you will find that position that you want referral for. Next part. So ये दो मेन मेथड है LinkedIn पे, but there is then third method. So बहुत सारे लोग करते हैं, I have also done in the past weeks that I I do a LinkedIn post where I mention the job openings in my team or job openings at my organization, or at least it could be in cases where I know for a person, let's say I know an organization that is hiring for, I can put a job post for there. I would say you should take these posts with a pinch of salt. You should only consider those posts which are coming from a credible sources, coming from credible persons, and which are not ask you to just reply interested in the comment at least. That's my take on it. But हाँ, उन job post वाले job openings वाले posts में what you can find is the right set of details. Let's say ये 3-4 positions हैं जिसकी opening है. Are you the right fit? If you are the right fit, you can directly reach out to the person who posted for it, or you can reach out to the people or the HR persons from that organization that you are interested for these openings, and please refer me or please consider me for these profiles. Right? So this was the perfect way that you can get. But ऐसा होता है बहुत सी बार organization does not put their openings on LinkedIn, right? They have their own career pages and they think people are they are getting enough traffic on their career pages itself. Why should we pay some money to put on LinkedIn? So क्या होता है? If you are looking for particular job positions at particular organization, what you can do is you can just directly reach out to their career pages. For example, मुझे Mercedes में काम करना है, मैं Mercedes के career page पे जाऊँगा, वहाँ पे जितनी भी job openings है उनको verify करूँगा. You can get some filters. Generally, company provide those filter कि you are looking for engineering based roles, or you are looking for analytics based role or product related roles. So just filter out those things, filter out the region that you are looking for job, and you can get a number of set of openings right there then and there. And if you find the perfect match for your profile or your skill set, you can just ask, go back to LinkedIn and ask for referral then and there. So पॉइंट क्या है कि आप करियर पेजेस पे जाए, वहाँ पे यू कैन गेट द एग्जैक्ट सेट ऑफ ओपनिंग्स. फेसबुक पे कहीं पे भी जहाँ पे भी आपको जॉब करना है, जहाँ पे लेट्स से यू वांट टू वर्क एट गूगल, सो यू विल गो टू गूगल्स करियर पेज, यू कैन फाइंड द जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन, जो एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया. You can, if it matches with you, the job and your profile overlaps, you can definitely ask for referral. Why I am focusing on overlap? Because it increases your odds that the other person will give you a referral. The HR person will consider you for the position, because if you randomly ask for referral for a position which is not relevant, which is where you do not fulfill the eligibility criteria, what happens is it will go into auto rejection and you will face a 3-month or 6-month cool down depending on the company. क्या होगा, 6 महीने के लिए आप उस कंपनी में दोबारा अप्लाई नहीं कर पाओगे. So be very careful for the job you are applying for, you are asking referral for. The other person might not refer you for that irrelevant position, or I would say that does not match your profile, or you might get auto rejected by the systems or the HRBPs, right? The HR recruitment teams, right? Third, I think this is something which is prominently for college students, I would say, but obviously professionals use it. I have got all my referrals, my job offers just from LinkedIn, but there is one other site where I've also been looking for jobs, which is AngelList. So क्या होता है, आप अगर startup phase में हैं, there is a dedicated platform called AngelList, जहाँ पे आप you can go and look for the other startups that you want to work at. Generally, I would say majority of startups that are around the globe, are listed there at AngelList. They provide plethora of options for the job openings, so it is only for the job openings and internships right there. So you get plethora of options in full-time, part-time, you get salary options, you get equity options, you get work from home, remote jobs, and all these options are available at AngelList. So the only caveat is आपको mostly companies वहाँ नहीं मिलेंगी, सिर्फ startup related companies ही वहाँ मिलेंगी, which are in startup phase or which are startup in any sense or manner. So you get all those openings there, and you can get your job listed there as well. I would give a A rating to this website. I have also reached got the position. I have reached out on LinkedIn. Okay, I want you to consider me for this profile, and I have got job offers from AngelList. So go and check it that out. There is also third website which is very popular nowadays, which is InstaHire. So InstaHire is a page, I would say job portal where people who are looking for instantly getting hired. It is based on a schema where you will say something something like a dating apps work. So you right side or left side, something like that phenomena is available on InstaHire. You mark interested or not interested just by looking the job description. As simple as that. The other person, like the recruiter, will get your interest and will get your profile. They have that Insta score available on their profile, that you can see that how the person is relevant or matches with the profile, and you can directly get a call over that. Mostly people who are looking for getting instantly hired, it is not a platform for casually looking for jobs. It is generally for instantly getting hired. Let's say I am on my notice period or I am looking for instantly switch a job, I can go to InstaHire and look for a job there, right? ये वो options थे, right? But there is a fourth option for most of the professional candidates that are out there, which is blind. Blind, you might not get the correct job listing, but you will reach out the professional people out there who can guide you in the right way. Blind is a platform for all kinds of professional, where you can post things, where you can discuss things anonymously. For example, I need a Microsoft account, let's say Microsoft employee account, to create an account on Blind with the tag Microsoft. So कोई भी person अगर वहाँ पे Microsoft के account से if the person is claiming to be Microsoft, it is damn sure that he is actually from Microsoft. So Blind पर वो anonymously बता सकता है. There are portals where you can discuss things, where you can discuss about your compensation packages, the rounds you are getting. It's a very collaborative platform where you can discuss and get the right set of information that is required. You can even discuss with unknown people, peers that they are in the industry for longer time. That let's say you have been offered some kind of package. Is it good with respect to the organization, or is it good with the location that you? So let's say someday you are getting an international offer for Singapore or London or any other place, and you are not aware that what's the right package I want to make a transition to, what's the right amount that I am getting, is it very low in compared to the organization that is offering or for that position in that market. So you can definitely discuss there. You can definitely ask for referrals, you can definitely ask for the work culture, timings and other things on Blind. I think the last app that comes in this portal, job and internship portal, is Glassdoor, which had helped me definitely time and time to get the right set of details. तो क्या होता है, कंपनी के रिव्यूज का जो प्लेटफॉर्म है, आई थिंक Glassdoor is that one fine job where you can find the exact reviews about the company, how the company performs, what are the employees that found pros and cons about the company culture, the CEO of the company or leadership of the company, how the salary stack. So basically there are people who have listed out salaries for different position. आज SD1 की क्या salary होगी, इस कंपनी में SD2 की क्या होगी, analytics वाले person की salary क्या है, some sales person की salary क्या होगी. You have that approximate criteria कि what kind of total compensation or the base compensation you can look forward to, and it helps a lot during the negotiation phase, because you get an approx idea कि this is the salary that I am going to get offered, or this is the salary that is at least the company is offering to other people, and you have right to ask for it, right? So Glassdoor बहुत helpful होता है. They have also job listings available. I have not tried it personally, but yes, they also have job listings, and they suggest you based on your profile that this is the perfect job for you as well. But I would highly recommend or highly stick on the other platform. You can refer Glassdoor as a mediator tool where you can find the reviews while considering the right options. So for example, you have got 3-4 offers at your hand and you want to decide which company is right, or if you have got let's say you have cleared all the rounds of interview and you are in the final negotiation phase, and you want to know what should the amount that I should go in with when I was talking to the concerned people. So you can go to Glassdoor, you can check if there is any other available salary listing for that profile, and you can be very sure that this is the amount that I want, or this is the amount that other people are getting and I should get it, right? So Glassdoor. I think in this series, honorable mention goes to Hirist, iimjobs, and Shine. These are other portals as well. I have Naukri.com, sorry, one other Naukri.com. I have used them time and time for certain listings. They do have few openings, and they are good for initial, or I would say fresher kind of profiles where you can look forward to these portals as well. So with this, we come to the end of this video, where I think you might have got a lot about the information. Where is the right portal or right set of platforms where you can got the job listings and internships. I hope you all liked this video. I hope you got some valuable information. And if your friend is looking for a job, and if you're looking for a job, please like this video and share this video with all your peers who are looking for a job out there. I hope this video helps a lot to them. It just provides them certain helpful things, information that they require, right? With this I take leave, and please share in the comment box what other topics you want video on. मैं ट्राई करूँगा जितना जल्दी उन वीडियोस को बिल्ड करके आपके सामने ला सकूँ इस चैनल पे। या और अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं करा तो प्लीज वीडियो को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए, बटन नीचे ही है, प्लीज कर दीजिए। एंड आई विल talk to you in the next video. Thank you guys, bye bye.